Fonetica limbii române. Romanian Phonics. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode, we're going to look at litera C. Litera C. Letter C. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is C or C. It is pronounced as the K in sky. Sky. The target vocabulary for this lesson is carte, cască, curcubeu. Now, what do these words mean? Let's find out. Carte. Carte means book. Cască. Cască means helmet. Curcubeu. Curcubeu means rainbow. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Maria a cumpărat o carte. Maria a cumpărat o carte. Mary bought a book. Mi-am uitat casca acasă. Mi-am uitat casca acasă. I forgot my helmet at home. Curcubeul are 7 culori. Curcubeul are 7 culori. The rainbow has 7 colors. And now you know how to pronounce words correctly in Romanian. Make sure you don't miss the next episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share and like this video. We would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section below what other kinds of Romanian language lessons you would like to see on this awesome channel. Until next time, this is Mihnea, your Romanian language teacher. Salut!